So guys, what we have here is GBPJPY. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so now. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I will also want to watch out for it and what you think about this movement. I also want to watch out for it. Now, if you look at this GBPJPY, I want us to actually do quick analysis on it. We will start with our daily time frame. We can see that this price, has been ranging for some time. We can see that this price has actually ranged here. We see that price came to this level here. We had this huge candlestick wick here that pushes up. So price rejected this level. It came here to this level and it rejected it. Then price came to the same level and rejected it, right? Price also came to the same level again and rejected it, and now we saw that price actually dropped and broke this level. That was when the GBP actually dropped. We all know the GBP it failed, it dropped to its lowest point. So of course, once the GBP drop, of course, we would actually see it on this JPY itself. So the GBP has actually broken below it, right? So one of sometimes the pair corrected itself, right? Now that this pair has corrected itself, it has now dropped again. It is now at this same level on GBPJPY. So I mean, if you have to look at it, most of you will be thinking we will continue to drop on GBPJPY, but I think sooner or later we would have a bullish move. Maybe possibly if there's any possibility this price can drop and take out this level here. But once it take out this level, then we would see a bullish move on GBP/JPY. I don't believe it will actually drop out to take out this week. I don't believe it. I believe that possibly we would have this bullish move from here, and if price can give us that bearish move, which is very very possible because GBP pairs are dropping, right? So I mean, if GBP pairs are dropping, it will surely reflect or show on our GBP/JPY, which there's every possibility once it drops to this level, then we should now see a reaction here. So now I'll tell you the reason why I personally think price will go bullish. Notice that it is not 100% sure. It is just kind of like an analysis, prediction. I'm not 100% sure of this. So if you take a look at this JPY index, guys. So I want us to see this JPY index to understand this movement. So if you look at this JPY index, full trend on JPY index, we are on a bearish move, right? Price has been dropping. So if you now take a look at this movement, I've highlighted some key level here. So this level here, we saw price came to this same level on GBPJPY and JPY index. Price came to this level, it pushes up, right? Once price broke below it, we saw price gave us a pullback to test this level. It drops again, came back to test this level. So if you notice, this price has been ranging, right? On the daily time frame, price has been ranging for some times, so we can take here as our support and resistance level. Now that this price has broken below this support level, of course we expect price to come test the level, which it did, and it actually broke above it. Now we can see that this price is now dropping again. Of course, once this price has now dropped again, we now see this pullback, right? It has tested the support level again, right? Now that this price has tested the support level, we will be expecting another drop again on our JPY index. So this JPY index, there's every possibility that this JPY index will start giving us that drop to take out this our lows. So once this JPY index is giving us that drop, it is giving us a low, then definitely we would see a rise on our GBP/JPY. So it makes sense because price has reacted here multiple times, price has rejected here multiple times. There's high probability that price will also reject here again and give us that bullish move. So this JPY index, as we would be expecting a bearish move, a drop on this JPY index, then we should be seeing a bullish move on this our GBP/JPY. So watch out for it. And to actually take this trade, I think we would roll down to the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to take a look at this 4-hour time frame, kind of giving us like a little weak movement. We see that the price is actually failing to break below this level we've highlighted. You can see this huge small candlestick wick here. Then once we add this back, we saw a drop, and I'm very sure that this price will actually roll up again. So it will kind of give us like an indecision, like price is actually failing to break below it. And let's see if price will actually go bullish once the JPY index give us that bearish move. So watch out for it and take your trade if you want, by the way.